Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Chevrolet 4500 LCF gasoline. So this is a Class 4 commercial vehicle. Class 7 you need a CDL. So this is below the Silverado 6500. However, just based on the size of everything, I would think it would be above. So these come as a cutaway chassis. So this one was the two-door cab. You can get a four-door, but it just comes as these frame rails here. That's the base that it comes in as. This one we upfitted with a box truck conversion. Nice stainless steel steps. So this is actually called a cab over because the cab is over the motor. So the motor is right here. It's a V8 gasoline unit. We do offer these in diesel, I believe, but you can see all the running gear right there. This is the key for it. Very simple key. Once you're inside, you do have power locks. Getting in, not too bad at all. Seats are nice and comfortable. Have all your pedals you need right here. It's a very upfront driving position because you are the bumper, pretty much. You are right there. You can fit 3 people across here. You have your lamp for when the doors open, your very large sun visor, cubby holes up top. Start it with the key ignition. All right. Beautiful. I think. Yeah, that does open. Okay. Oh, and because you really have no backup camera or anything, you do have a backup beeper. Yeah, all you have for rearward visibility is these 2 mirrors. I have to kind of readjust the camera so you can kind of see everything. It's a very unique driving position, but it provides a lot of visibility. I find this very, very easy to drive once you figure out where the back of it is when you're backing out of tight spaces. It's really easy to drive. It is very unique in the fact that I'm sitting on the front axle, if not a little before. So when you turn, you have to keep in mind that your front wheels are behind you. That's something to just kind of get used to. So I find myself, when I first started driving it, I ended up taking turns way too sharp because I was like, oh, the front of my truck is way out in front of me. When in reality, it's not. I'm the front of the truck. So the total price for this one as configured is $59,000. That's with the truck and the box conversion all included. So if you're curious, the gross vehicle weight rating is just over 14,000 pounds. So she's a big girl. This is a big, heavy truck. What's so funny is, out of all the cars I've ever driven, I think this has the best visibility, just because you don't have anything in front of you. It is just you, the dash, and the road. So I can see everything, as you can see on the camera. It is excellent. I mean, I have no complaints with visibility. I really can't even see the top of the truck, like the sun visor and stuff like that. I can't really see them because the windshield's so large. I think I should take one of these out in the fall when all the leaves are changing, because the views from this thing are absolutely phenomenal. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.